Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. Christmas will be here soon, and so will the Countrycraft Creations Oh What Fun virtual retreat. If you haven't signed up yet, you need to do so right away because the deadline is coming up soon on September the 22nd, 2025. This is the kit that I will be working with, so I'm going to give you all the details in just a few minutes. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to go over my kit that I received to create with for the Oh What Fun virtual retreat by Countrycraft Creations. The kits are on sale right now. Deadline, as I said earlier, is September the 22nd, so you'll want to get on that if you have not signed up already. I'll put the link down below to it on the website so that you can go to it and sign up. The price for the classes and the kits with everything you need to make them except for your adhesives and your tools is $339. I don't have the number of kits that there will be, but there's going to be several designers. I'll try to go find out and let you know at the end of this video how many will be doing a class tutorial. Now you cannot purchase these individually, so these are going to be exclusive to this virtual retreat. So if you want to get into the fun of creating for Christmas, this is the retreat for you. So it is virtual. Everything will be online. The virtual retreat will be November the 12th through the 15th, 2025. There'll be a private Facebook group where you can get all the links to the YouTube channels or the videos that are the classes. The classes will either be pre-recorded or a live feed, which will then end up being recorded. Tamara, the owner of Countrycraft Creations, typically does hers as live, which is a lot of fun. The other designers will do theirs as recorded YouTube videos, but you can only get the link by purchasing this kit. So you'll receive your kit. They will ship out on October the 20th, around that date. And again, you get everything you need for all the projects, including, this is really important, including the cardstock. So you get the pretty papers, the ribbons and bits and things, some embellishments, and the cardstock. I'll show you all that in just a minute. You get everything you need except for your adhesives and whatever you might want to add in extra, like if you have something special you want to add in, like a flower or something. We will not be using those. But you can add in whatever you want, and any your tools. So of course you're going to need to provide your own tools, adhesives and tools, and you'll receive your kit shipping out October the 20th, so you'll have plenty of time for the virtual retreat, which has a kickoff on November the 12th, and then it runs through the 15th of November 2025. Again, the deadline to sign up for this, to register and purchase the kit, is September 22nd, 2025. So I think I've covered everything. I did tell you that it has a private Facebook group, but also there'll be Zoom sessions for socializing. A lot of you love that. And it's going to be a lot of fun. So jump in for some holiday magic. Okay, so take a look at my kit. This is what I'm going to be creating a project with. I have an idea of what I want to do. I think it'll be a lot of fun. So the special goodies that go with my kit is this velvet rickrack. Love this. That is so pretty. I'm going to set it down here at the bottom. And I always love me some jute twine, so I have the natural color of that. And some jingle bells, which you can tie on that jute twine. We have 2 gold and 2 reds. It's a lot of fun. And then this beautiful, I think this is the moss green seam binding ribbon. So that goes with my kit. We also get a pack of the Photoplay cardstock ephemera. So here on the back you can see what you're going to get. Looks like a frame, a couple of frames, some little tags, just elements to dress it up. I'm not going to open it up because I don't actually want to lose anything, because I need to have all of it to create with you. If I didn't say so, that I'm using the Photoplay Christmas Junk collection. So there's the ephemera, Christmas junk ephemera that we'll be playing with. I think all the kits are going to receive probably these foam dots. I don't know if this is just for my kit, but this was in with mine. So I have some round dots and foam dots and some squares. So you'll get that. So that's kind of like a little extra something there, though you do provide your own adhesive. So the collection, you're going to get this collection kit, the Christmas Junk. I love the images on this. This is the cover sheet, but we may definitely be utilizing some of the images on this because it's really nice paper, so we can fussy cut some of these and have that in our project. So here is the Unwrap the Magic. Love all these images, so pretty. Back side's got this beautiful music notes. Very pretty. So we have 2 sheets of that. Then we have Christmas Time, which is this fabulous plaid. I love plaid in the Christmas colors. Got some ephemera bits here and things poking out here. And then on the back side, we have all these like little stamped icons, some postage stamp items there. So you got 2 of those. This one is called December. So it's got a to-do list, a gift list, a date list, some calendar, weekly planners, calendar strips down here, and then on the back we have these evergreen trees. Very pretty, 2 of those. This one is your reindeer mail. These are the tags. These are super cute. Look at the little snowman, so cute. Border strips, and the back side is this great green print. 2 of those. Can't wait to get started on creating the project and tutorial for this. Poinsettia, beautiful print here, and then on the back side we have some cut apart. Love this Santa. This is a really great Santa. Other elements that you might want to use. I believe he's in our ephemera too. Yeah, there he is right there. So 2 sheets of this. Oh, I see some stripes coming. Then we have Mrs. Claus Bakery, which is this collage here with Mrs. Claus Bakery label here. And you flip it over and you get the stripe. Gotta have a red, this is not white, it's kind of a cream color, but it's perfect for Christmas. And that's 2 of those. And then of course we get the sticker sheet. Look at that. Awesome. Love the Santa, love the snowman, love the holly jolly with the bird, the snow globe, all of it. So much fun. A great sticker sheet there. And then you will get the Variety My Colors Pack Variety Pack, which includes Exotic Red, Daylily, Chocolate, and Cypress. There's 8 sheets in this pack. It comes just like this in a pack. So you see all the different colors there. You're going to get that. And then your Basics kit will come packaged like this, and you're going to get, now I have the chipboard in the full sheets, but I believe whatever I create will come pre-cut for you because some of you don't have cutters that can cut the heavyweight chipboard. So I have been sent heavyweight chipboard for me to decide. I can cut it, decide what I'm going to make, and then yours will be pre-cut, I believe, in your kit. And then you also get the 65-pound white cardstock, which is great for matting, and we get 3 sheets there. And then the cardstock for the project is the craft cardstock. Let me take just a minute to count so I can tell you what you actually get. Okay, I counted it twice to make sure. 15 sheets of the 12 by 12 craft artisan cardstock, 3 sheets of the white 65-pound for matting, heavyweight chipboard for the project, the pack of the My Colors Variety Pack, 8 sheets in the pack, Exotic Red, Daylily, Chocolate, and Cypress, the sticker sheet, 2 sheets each of the collection, the pack of cardstock ephemera, 4 Jingle Bells, felt red rickrack, isn't that cute? The jute twine, the moss green seam binding ribbon, and some foam dots. So that is my kit reveal of what I'll be working with for the virtual retreat. Oh, what fun. go down below to the description, click on the link so that you can sign up for it. We're going to have lots of fun. Oh yeah, I'm going to check to see how many designers, how many projects there's going to be. So hold on just a second. Okay, so I went and checked the list of the kits that were shipped out. I'm not going to tell you what everyone's getting, but it is an awesome list. You don't want to miss out on this. They listed 6 designers each getting a kit. So they're going to get full kits like this, and they're going to make projects. It's going to be awesome. So that's Michelle, Tiffany, Jen DeBelle, Jacqueline, Kim, and myself. So that is 6 kits right there from the designers, and then probably something like for the kickoff by Tamara and maybe another project. I'm not sure what she's doing, but 6, possibly 7 projects in this virtual retreat. So you want to sign up now for your kit. Deadline is September the 22nd. Don't miss out. Link down below. I'll see you later. I'm going to get busy on this. Bye-bye.